Okay, gonna try this walking. Greetings, folks, and welcome back to the channel. This is, well, you know what it is. It's the Shell Toucher channel where we cover all things Camino De Santiago. And today we're gonna be looking at something, well, kind of a twofer. Twofer meaning two for one.
If you didn't catch that.
So with that said, hit it! Okay, welcome back, folks. So today it's actually going to be a really important tip and a short one. I promise you it's going to be short, only because I'm in the middle of nowhere. It's true. I'm in the middle of nowhere. Except Mosquitoville. I probably have one on my head right now as we're doing this. Regardless, if you don't know by now, you're going to need some earplugs. Because fact of the matter is, people snore. Lots of people snore. Men, women, small dogs, large dogs, even cats snore. And snore. And snore. And snore. Especially in large groups. Especially in albergues and hostels. Even in hotels in Spain where the walls are thin, people snore. So, that said, you'll be recommended over and over again in all these Camino tips, tricks, and hacks videos, not just my own, to bring not headphones. Actually, headphones work good too, but they fall out while you're sleeping. But you'll be warned again and again to bring earplugs. And many of us do. Many of us bring foam earplugs. I've used them in the past. I like them, but I find the wax ones to truly be the best. So if you are shopping for earplugs, grab the wax ones. They rock. But not only for the fact that they will keep out sound while you sleep and customize to fit your ear, your unique shaped inner ear, but you can use them as a sync plug, not using the same ones. Granted, many come in a pack. Bring a tube wrapped in saran wrap, and by tube I mean like 4 of them, 4 extra earplugs in saran wrap in a little Ziploc bag. Those will not be used in your ears. Those will be used in the sinks where you're going to be washing your clothes a lot. Oftentimes there'll be no way to plug the sink. Some of us bring different sized sink plugs with us, but you don't need to do that. Just press down. Now it's going to be difficult for me to demonstrate here because my sink doesn't have a grate in it like all of the sinks do in Spanish albergues and hotels. However, what you would do, and imagine this if you will, there's a grate inside the sink, inside the drain. Press the saran wrap in there first. And then on top of that, press the earplug for a custom fit plug. This will work in any size sink. If it's larger, use more plugs, press them together and use them. And you will be able to clog up, or hopefully not, plug up every sink in Spain and get your clothes washed. Super pro tip brought to you by Shell Toucher. If you enjoyed today's tip, trick, and hack, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time.
Buen Camino.